morning everybody, it's Friday and it's time for us to do some phonics. Hello everyone! It's the last day of the week because it is the weekend tomorrow. You are absolutely right, Rex. Tomorrow is another weekend. Right, should we do our last phonics lesson then? Yes. Yes! Come on then everyone, let's have a look. Can you remember how to spell all the A graphemes? Okay, everyone pause the video now. Have a go at writing the A graphemes. Remember there are 8 of them. Okay, you should have written those. Pause it again if you need more time. Let's have a look. Did you remember A and an I? A and a Y? Split digraph A by itself, E and an A, E-I-G-H, E and a Y, and A-I-G-H. Well done if you did. That's excellent. Your teacher will tell you a word that we wrote yesterday. See if you can remember how to spell it and write it on a piece of paper. Okay, make sure you've got your paper with you. Can you write the word detail on your piece of paper? Pause the video now. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at the word detail. Detail. Did you remember that the E sounds like E in this word? Well done if you did. Let's look at the next one. Always. Have a go at writing that one. Pause the video now. Right, let's have a look. Always. Do you remember the or sound at the beginning was an A and an L? Well done if you did. And the A in this word is an A and a Y. Able. Have a go at writing that one now. Pause the video. Super duper. Right, let's have a look at able. A, but, and then the is an L and an E at the end. Well done if you got that one. Fantastic. This one is the word place. Have a go at writing that one. Pause the video now. Fantastic. Let's have a look at how you spell place. P-A-S. And this one, the split digraph's the A sound, and the S in the middle is written as the letter C. Can you see here? Well done if you got that one. This one is they. Pause the video and have a go at that one now. Fantastic. Right, let's have a look at the word they. A, and the A sound is an E and a Y in this word. Okay, this is the word for the number 8. Have a go at writing that now. Pause the video. Well done. Right, let's have a look at the word 8. Now the A sound in the number 8 word is E-I-G-H. Well done if you remembered that one. 4 letters for that. This one is the word break. Have a go at writing that one. Fantastic. Let's have a look. Pause the video if you need more time. Break. Now this one's got just a kicking k at the end, and the A sound is an E and an A. Well done if you got that one. And this one is the word straight. Have a go at that one. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the word straight. And then the A is A-I-G-H. Remember, that's the only word with that spelling in, and it's got t at the end. Right, let's have a look at the next one. We have a challenge for you today. Can you write some sentences? Miss Coleman will help you. Right, let's have a look. Oh, we've got the horse and it's saying nay. Right, I'm going to do the same as I did before. I'm going to say this sentence. I'm going to say it 5 times. Then I want you to remember it. You can say it with me. Count the words on your fingers. And then I want you to have a go at writing it. Today the sentence is 6 words long. So let's have a go. Suddenly the horse began to neigh. 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 Okay, pause the video now and have a go at writing that sentence down. Okay, let's have a look then. Well done. You should have done that. So suddenly, sometimes we get a bit confused with suddenly because it's got two D's, the letter D, and then we can't really hear the E in it, so it sounds like suddenly. So it's E and an N, so well done if you got that one correct. Horse, the sound is an S and an E at the end. Began has got an E in the middle. To neigh, and did you remember E-I-G-H? Well done if you did. Pause the video if you need more time to check. Your teacher will tell you a word that we wrote yesterday. No, we won't. Sorry, Rex. Great job. Now write some of your sentences. Try to write a question sentence. If you really want to challenge yourself, have a go at using a noticing phrase at the beginning of your sentence. Okay, so you could say what somebody can see. We've got lots of words to choose from. We've got 30 words. So we're going to write some sentences. Have a look at how Miss Coleman writes a sentence. Okay, so I had a little think about this before I did this video. So today, I'm going to be writing about a boy, and the boy has magically appeared somewhere he doesn't know, and he doesn't know how he's got there. So I'm going to describe the place with a few short sentences of where he's appeared. So I'm going to start off describing the trees because Rex said we need to use a noticing sentence and maybe some questions in there. So I'm going to write lots of short sentences today, and you can have a go at copying this, and you could think of a different place and to describe, couldn't you? And have a go at using some of your own ideas to make a similar sentence. So my sentence is going to start with 3 short sentences to describe the setting. So I'm going to put hundreds of tall trees. That's my first sentence. Then my next sentence is going to be grey clouds. And then my third sentence is going to be a stony path. Hundreds of tall trees. So I'm going to start off with hundreds. Of tall remember that or sound in tall is an A by itself. Trees. E full stop. Dark, I might add dark grey clouds. Dark. Comma. Grey clouds. There's my word grey, look. Full stop. A stony path. Whoops. O-N-E path. Full stop. Now, I've described my setting. Now I'm going to put some questions in. I'm going to put, where was he? How did he get here? So those are going to be 2 more sentences, 2 short sentences, and they're questions. Where, ooh, and the air sound is E and R and an E in where. Where was he? Now it's a question sentence, so if it's a question sentence, I need to put question mark at the end. How did he get here? So that's my next sentence, so I need a capital letter after the question mark. How did make that a little bigger. He get here. Good. here. And the ear sound is E-R-E. Again, it's a question sentence, so I need to put a question mark. It's asking a question. Okay, so hundreds of tall trees, dark grey clouds, a stony path. Where was he? How did he get here? So you can have a go at doing that. You might want to change some of these things that I described at the beginning of the sentence. If it was a park, I might put tall swings. I might put a creaking seesaw, and then I might put waving trees. Where was he? How did he get here? Or why was he here? Or was this where he wanted to be? Okay, so you can change that a little bit to make it your own if you want to. You do need to write 4 sentences, so choose 4 different words and have a go. Now, I want to make this really clear, everyone. When I wrote this sentence, these sentences, it took me a while to think about them, so I didn't just sit down and write, I see grey clouds. I had to think really carefully about what I wanted to put in my sentences. I didn't just race to do it. So what I want you to do is when you come to write your 4 sentences, I want you to think very carefully, and I want you to talk to somebody about your sentence before you write it to make sure that it makes sense, and also to make sure that you've done the best sentence that you can do, okay? Because I don't want us to race through this, I want us to think very carefully, all right? Fabulous sentences, guys. See you next week. Okay, we'll see you next week. Don't forget to send your work into y2@anglesey.beham.sch.uk because the teachers need to see your work. Keep up the good work and have a nice rest this weekend, everyone. Bye.